你好，我是 Rachel. Hello, I am Rachel. Welcome to Big Man Vocab, a fun way to expand your Chinese vocabulary. Today we're going to talk about April Fool's Day. 愚人节 April Fool's Day. 愚人 means fool. 愚 second tone. 人 second tone. 节 second tone means festival. 愚人节，愚人节，愚人节。Rachel, you told me the shopping mall is having a huge sale today. There is nothing here. 哈哈，今天是愚人节 ，April Fools. Compared with Western tendencies to trick strangers or stage elaborate pranks on the public, Chinese tend to keep large and overdone jokes to a minimum, though antics amongst young friends is somewhat common. 恶作剧 means prank. 恶 fourth tone. 作 fourth tone. 剧 fourth tone. 恶作剧，恶作剧，恶作剧。Rachel, 老板找你。The boss is looking for you. 好的 ，OK。啊！这是谁的恶作剧 ？Who put the stunt? If you want to play a trick on somebody, you can also say 整 third tone, which means to trick. If you want to describe playing a trick on someone, you can say 整 plus somebody. 整整整。我想在愚人节的时候整 Casey. I want to play a trick on Casey on April Fool's Day. Or you can also say 忽悠, which means to fool or pull someone's leg. 忽 first tone, 有 neutral tone. 忽悠忽悠忽悠忽悠 is a very humorous and authentic expression. Hi, Rachel. I saw your boyfriend out with another girl. 别忽悠我了，我知道今天是愚人节。Stop trying to pull my leg. I know today is April Fool's Day. When you successfully prank an innocent victim, you can yell 愚人节快乐, which means April Fools. 快乐 means happy. 快 fourth tone. 乐 fourth tone. 愚人节快乐,愚人节快乐。我也要吃。I want some also. Oh my god, 是牙膏 Oh my god, it's toothpaste. 哈哈，愚人节快乐 April Fools. Okay, that's all for today's lesson. Now it's your turn. Upload your recording and tell me what kind of 恶作剧 or prank you're going to play or you have played on your friends. Leave me a message and don't forget to let me know what topics you want to learn. See you next time. 再见. Rachel, you told me you wrecked my car. It looks fine to me. What's wrong with you? 哈哈，今天是愚人节，愚人节快乐。Which of the following is true according to the dialogue? Rachel played a trick on her friend. Rachel told the truth to her friend. Rachel wrecked her friend's car. Please choose the best answer. Rachel, 明天是愚人节，你想整谁呀？我想整 Casey. I will fill her cookies with mustard. Which of the following is true according to the dialogue? Rachel wants to treat Casey to a snack. Rachel wants to visit Casey. Rachel wants to trick Casey. Please choose the best answer.
Marc, who put toothpaste in my Oreo? What would Marc say? 这是詹你的恶作剧。这是詹你的愚人节。这是詹你的整。Please choose the best answer. 今天是愚人节，我想整 Marc。Marc， 喝可乐吗？好。David， 这是什么？哈哈。What would David say？ 愚人节快乐！恭喜发财！圣诞快乐 ！Please choose the best answer.
我喜欢你。
别忽悠我了，艾莉。今天是愚人节。Which of the following statements is true according to the dialogue? The man likes Ellie. The man doesn't believe Ellie's words. The man doesn't know today is the April Fool's Day. Please choose the best answer.